Hey guys, I'm Brad, and today we are working on the pool pump, specifically the timer. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to change out your old timer with a new digital one and hopefully make your life a lot easier. So this timer is off. It keeps losing its time, so it'll just won't turn on or won't turn off. And I just replaced this like a little over a year ago. So we're going to get rid of it. I'm going to take out the whole box and we're going to replace it with that digital one. So the first things first, take off your power, and then we're going to check it with a voltmeter. Just one of these because that is 220. I want to make sure we still don't have power there. Just check all of them. They're all green. Look at that. Pretty nice. Got your instructions right here. This was like 40 bucks on Amazon. I ordered it last night and it was here today. That one to replace is like 70, so I was like, might as well just do the whole thing. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna pull that old one off and we'll get this one put on. Just one screw holding that whole thing on there. Alright, so you got 2 leads from your motor and then your neutral or your ground wire. Put this away and then out of your breaker, same thing. You got 2 reds and your ground. There you go. This is the old one out. So, throw that in the trash. It's got a little knockout on each side. I'm just gonna use a razor blade to cut a slit, and then we'll kind of just reuse what was already there. Get the little X out. That can go to either of them. Let's go into this one. Okay. Easy peasy. And then we'll open this up and pull this cover out of the way. The cover. Got some jumper wires. There's an extra knockout. Alright, that was a pain in the butt. I got it on there. I basically cut this half of the grommet off. You still see it's on there, but for the threads, because the threads are so short, I couldn't get the thread on there. So, but anyways, we got that on there. I get some tap cons, tap it in, and then we'll put the clock back in. All right, and then in the instructions, you got one load, 240 volts. So you got one jumper wire there to there, one jumper wire there to there. Your load, that's your pump, there and there. And then your 240 volt coming in there and there. Hope you got it, but yeah, pretty straightforward. So we're gonna start. All right, so we got out of the box to number 3 and number 5. From the pump to 6 and 4, and then the 2 jumpers. But just like it says, it's pretty straightforward. So we got that in there, and then this side, I might throw some silicone on that just in case the water doesn't weep through there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It shouldn't get too much. Just got the gable overhang. So we're gonna put the little cover on here and see if it pumps on. All right, moment of truth. Should everything to right? Got our power indicator, and then bam, we're running. So I just got to make sure all those lights are normal. We're going to set the timer, and yeah. All right, these are pretty straightforward too. Hit the reset with a pin, and then hit the clock, hold the clock, and then do your hours and minutes to get the time, which I need to fix because this is in military. It'll be in military time. Actually, I think that's right. I gotta double check that. But then program, and then that'll set your days of the week, your time, and then hit program again. That'll do your off time. So I have 8 a.m. and then 1600 hours for 6 p.m. And I mean, that's pretty much it. Make sure it's on auto, on, and auto, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. I'm going swimming.